While we wait for GTA 6, let's model a chair. Alright, open in Prisma 3D. First, let's start a new project. Go ahead and select New Project. Now you should see a screen called Choose a Model. Up top, you've got characters, just the human model. Below that, shapes, cube, sphere, cylinder, plane, pyramid, torus. And down at the bottom, custom, where you can create, import, or use a saved base mesh. For us, let's tap cube under shapes. This one cube is going to become our entire chair base. Got your cube in? Good. Now let's use scale to flatten it down a bit, so it looks more like a seat shape instead of a full cube. Take your time with that. Okay, now go into modeling and let's start adding some loop cuts into the cube. We're going to use these cuts to separate out where the legs will be. Take your time placing those cuts. Now, with your loop cuts in place, select the bottom faces where the legs should be and extrude them downward. This is going to pull 4 separate legs straight out of the base cube. Okay, now let's work on the backrest. Select the 2 side faces at the back of the cube and extrude them upward. This is going to give us the 2 backrest supports rising up from the base. Take your time getting the height right. Now let's add the middle backrest support. Go back into models, tap cube again to import a new one. Use scale to flatten this cube down and move it into place between the 2 backrest supports. Now select that flattened piece and hit copy. We're going to duplicate it and move the copy up to sit on top as the seat cushion, so it's actually comfortable to sit on. Adjust the size and position until it fits nicely. Alright, once you're happy with how the chair looks, select everything and hit group, so it all becomes one solid chair. Now, if you want a second design, just select the whole chair and hit copy again. That gives you a full duplicate you can tweak into a completely different style without starting from scratch. That's the chair. Simple, clean, honestly kinda proud of this one. Catch you in the next build.